Hi, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use the rower machine. Now for many years, and I didn't know any different between just getting on the machine and then just pulling and rowing. It wasn't until I took a course which then taught me the most efficient way. So while I'm going to be teaching the most efficient way, it doesn't mean what you were doing is in the previous was bad. Now, what we're trying to do in this video, while this is not a concept to rower, the teaching points will still be applicable across the board. What I'm going to be doing is just try to make sure that you are working the most efficiently. And while this technique may take time for you to adapt to, you will recognize that it will help you in the long term. Now, I will try and break down all these teaching points as quick as I can, because to get through them will be quite long and extensive, and I don't want to make you bored on this video. But the key behind it is I'm going to try and allow you to sort of pause and rewind so you can sort of take all these teaching points very quickly. So the first part is you're going to make sure that when you wrap the foot strap around your foot, you're looking to wrap it around the balls of your foot. Okay, so we're looking to wrap it around the balls of our foot. So setting the size of the foot placement, that it makes sure that the strap goes around the balls of your foot. The next point, once that's all set up, is how you are going to be maneuvering with the rower. Now, commonly, people will end up just rowing and just pulling. Actually, I want you to think that this is not a pull exercise, but rather a push through the legs. Okay, so what we're going to be looking to do is we're going to be understanding that the technique we're trying to apply is to try and keep our heels on the platform rather than lift our heels up and pushing through our toes. And then we're going to understand push, extend, pull. Pull, lean, bend. That technique is the foundation behind your rowing form. Rather than, what we've got to try and avoid is that the hips go underneath and the shoulder before the shoulders. So we're going to avoid that, because this is where the lower back starts to kick in. So what we're going to be trying to practice, and I'm going to go really slow with you because I'm still learning this myself, is we're going to learn how to go legs, lean, drive. Arms, lean, legs. Legs, lean, drive. Arms, lean, legs. Legs, lean, drive. This is the movement pattern that you'll learn to basically perform to help you be more efficient. So as you get more efficient, you will then start to pick up the skill on how to be more powerful off the push on the legs. So once you learn how to push from the legs without actually using the toes, it becomes more efficient. The other part is the flywheel. To change on the concept 2, you get to change the flywheel, the damper. So that again will be needed to be done based on an education point, where setting the right damper setting will be right for you on what is going to be the most efficient. Because if we keep always increasing to make it more challenging, does that mean that it will be the most efficient to get consistent results? Meaning, if we keep making it heavier, are we able to sustain the same sort of the stroke form consistently over a certain amount of time. And this is what's really crucial when we're looking at rowing. But hopefully that video sums up how to do the rower on the basic level. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.